Assalamu alaikum. This is exercise 15 and we have done question 7, already done question 7, question 8, question 9 and question 10 in the class. Now I'm going to start with question 11. Okay, in this question, first is you have fraction, an algebraic fraction, a cube minus b cube, first numerator. The denominator of the first fraction is a square minus b square divided by a square plus ab plus b square. And then the second denominator is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first of all, what you have to identify, you have to see there is a division sign. If there is division sign, what will we do? We will go for the multiplication and we will invert this fraction, the second one, that is on our right side. The second thing is you have to see the first numerator and then denominator. There is a has its own cube, b has its own cube. So you can apply the identity that is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. You can replace, you can interchange the place. ab can come first and b square can come later. But it is the same formula. It is the same formula as we have already done. That is a square plus ab plus b square. So I feel that on this stage, you understand these things clearly. There is no need to explain again and again. Then afterwards, there is a square in the denominator minus b square. So what we have to do, this is the identity 3, a minus b into a plus b. Change this division sign into multiplication in the same step. When you change, you will feel that the denominator becomes the numerator and numerator becomes the denominator. Afterwards, in the next step, you will cancel the same algebraic expression. Now, same algebraic expression will be cancelled. You have to see this, that if the second numerator, the formula becomes first identity. It will be a first identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. This is this one. I'm a plus b whole square. Now cancel the same algebraic expression. A minus b will be cancelled by the a minus b. A plus b will be cancelled by a plus b. And we can write a plus b, because there is a square, we can write a plus b and into a plus b. So cancel this. When you cancel, you can apply laws of exponent here. You can write like this. But I feel that laws of exponent will be helpful in the next classes as well. So try to apply laws of exponent. Like you are cutting it a plus b, cancel a plus b, this one, and make it 1. This is laws of exponent. And the remaining is a plus b. Now come to question number 12. A square plus 7ab plus 12b square divide by a square minus b square. Divide, there is a division sign. You know that for division, we have to make it multiplication. and in the later steps, and then we will change the fraction. Next fraction, we will invert the fraction. Invert mean we will take the reciprocal of the fraction. Numerator become denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Now a square plus 7ab plus 12ab. There are three terms, and in these three terms we cannot make a perfect square. We cannot make the first identity a plus b whole square. So what we do, we will go for midterm break method, that is bridge method as well. Midterm break method, first term is, there is no coefficient, there is 1. First term multiply by the third term, 12b square. So make the factors of 12. 12 factors will be 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 plus 3 gives you 7. So we will take 7. 4ab. AB we will take, means half of a square is a, means a square is a, b square is b. You will not take, it will be a great mistake if you will take square here. So never ever take square. 4ab plus 3ab. Now it is the same step. Apply the formula, the third identity a minus b, a plus b. Then a into a plus 4b plus 3 into, take out the common. How we can take out the common one? When we take out the common, what we do, we see that a is there and a is there. The first two terms are these. Last two terms are these, third and fourth. So take out a from first two terms. You will take, the remaining will be a plus 4b. From here, you will take 3 and you will take b, because b is there in this, and 12 in 3 times table 12 is coming. 3b into a plus 4b over a minus b into a plus b. Then division will change into multiplication. When multiply a minus b over a plus 4b, this will be a reciprocate. You are taking the reciprocal of the fraction, the same as I told you. Then cancel the same algebraic expressions, and the remaining unlike algebraic expressions, same mean like expression will cancel each other, and unlike will be there. A plus 3b over a plus b. Question 13, x square minus 5xy and x square minus 6xy plus 5y square. It is clearly mentioned. If you see, you are now experienced students, you can see that there are three terms. When there are three terms, we will use bridge method or midterm break method. So 5x square y square 5x, because there is negative sign, so negative sign, there is a division. Minus 5 minus 1 means 5 ones are 5, minus 5 minus 1 will be minus 6. So take x square minus 5xy minus xy plus 5y square. Then x square and y square will be like this. Okay. Then take out the common, because there is x and x. Here x is also common. If there are two terms and one term has square, one term has no square, no single linear one, so you will take out the common. You will search out for the common. These are some tricks that you have to use in the questions. How you solve these questions, because each question is different from the other question. Now cancel the like terms, like expressions, not like terms, like expressions, and unlike expressions will remain here. But in this case, fortunately, each and every expression is cancelled. So the answer is 1. If every expression is cancelled, nothing is left, there will be 1. Come to 14 question. Same question, a square plus, there are two terms, there are three terms, there are two terms, there are three terms. The first two terms, because there is a square, there is a linear one, so you will take out common a. Here there are three expressions, we will use bridge method or midterm break method. And here same, a square minus 9, this is we have to apply the formula because this is third identity, a square minus 3 whole square. Why, right? This is the third identity, that is a minus b, a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus 2a minus 3. So this is, how do we solve it? There is, okay, this is in the denominator, there is an expression. In this denominator, there is an expression. So how do we solve it? We will make the factors. Factors for the bridge midterm break method. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3 is there. There is a plus sign. It means you will make 3 plus 1. There is one step that we had not done. You can write it a square plus 3a. We have directly do it. 3a square plus 3a plus a plus 3. This is a. This plus 3. Now, in the next one, divide sign is the same. So, we are applying a minus b, a minus 3. This is my a minus 3, and a plus 3. Right? Now, down, we have to use a square. Look, there is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 plus 1. So, my a square minus 3a plus a minus 3, right? Now, this is the second step that is not mentioned here, but I am writing. This is the third step. In the third step, what we are doing, we are taking the common out. A plus a is taking out common, a plus 3 over taking out common from the first two terms. Take one. This is a plus 3 and a plus 1. So the same one, the second one, we are doing the same, a minus 3 and a plus 1. And then use the now you divide sign will change into multiply, and the fraction will be, algebraic fraction will be reciprocate. This will be reciprocate fraction. In a minus 3, a plus 1 is on the top numerator, and a minus 3, a plus 3 is the denominator. Now cancel the like expressions. You will get the unlike one. Question number 15. If you are not understanding, just practice this question. This is not difficult. It has the same rules that are applied on the previous questions. Now 15a x cube minus 8. You know that cube of 2 is 8. Or 8 is a cube of 2, right? Divide by this. So what you do first, you have to see there is division. There is bracket as well, parenthesis. So what you have to do first, solve these parenthesis brackets. Try to solve. But if we will try to solve these bracket, what about the bracket that is outside? Apply the formula, no problem. A x cube minus 2x cube, x plus 3. then divide, and then this 4 ones are 4, cancel by 4 twos are 8, and this x will cancel by x4, and this x will cancel by, there are 2x in the denominator, numerator there is 4x. So it will cancel, it will become square. Understood? Then afterwards, you will see what is left over. What is left? 2x square into x minus 2. This is 2x square. Yes. X minus 2, x plus 3. Then there is division sign. Sign of division means you will change in multiplication. You will inverse the fraction, reciprocate, take the reciprocal of the fraction, and then cancel the like terms. You will get the answer. So it is not difficult. If you feel, just practice. If you practice means writing. Write one time a question, then 2 times, then 3 times, until or unless you understand it properly. 16 question is the same as we done. We know that x into x square minus y square. Here we have one thing that is very clear. What is clear? That there is a square and there is a square. And there are 3 terms, so we will apply here midterm break method. We will change this division sign. We have these 2 expression terms. One is square, one is linear. So x's will be common here only, unlike expression. So what we have to do? We have to see how can we do it. Here we will apply identity number 3, that is a minus b, yani x minus y into x plus y. Here we are applying 3 midterm break method. You see that 3xy plus xy, there is a plus sign, so that is why there is a plus sign. Now change it. Change this. Change the division sign, take the reciprocal, cut the like terms, like expressions. You will get the answer, that is 1. But if the answer, everything is cancelled, you will get 1. Now question 18. A4. Now here, see this one. In this question, there is 4 and there is A. So we will take out only A. What is left? A cube minus 8. Now I remember this. The cube of 2 is 8. So it will become the formula, the identity, that is A cube minus B cube. If you memorize the identities or formulas, then you will be able to solve these questions. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you. Multiply 2a minus a, and then there are 3 terms. You will use midterm break method. Similarly, there are 3 terms. 2 3s are 6. Or see this, how we do it. Plus 6, there is explanation, minus 1. Then there is divide sign, a into a minus 2 over a plus 3. Now apply the formulas. When you apply the formulas, don't forget that it is a minus 2. Why there is 2? Because cube of 2 is 8. We are not writing 8. We will not bring 8 here. We will write the cube of 2. That is, you know that. Cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 64. So memorize these things. Revise, because we already practiced. See this one. A square. This one, we are applying the formula a minus b, a minus 2, a square plus ab plus b square. So b square is b is 2, 2 square of 2 is 4. So This is difficult for you. Mostly students they don't understand this 4. But think about it. Apply the identity correctly. You will be able to solve these questions. Then there is this you are applying, you are multiplying, changing divisions and multiplication, cancel the like expressions, and you will get the answer. For example, this is only A. A is left. So I hope you are able to understand these questions. Practice these questions. These questions, if you feel that one time if you are writing on the notebook and you will able to understand, I feel for me it is difficult. If you are practicing one time, two time, and three times, then it is more than enough. Okay. Allah Hafiz.